showed you the before the other night, last night I guess it was, or the night before last now. Good grief. And this is the after all of them are shined up a little bit. Man, it's like night and day difference. And now they're all smooth and ready to accept a brand new lifter without that black coating on it. See, this thing has still got that black coating on it, but I'm just going to let that distributor gear break that guy in. I think it'll be okay. But these, nah. On these cams that have this kind of coating on it, those have to be cleaned before you ever install it. Yep, and now everything's been thoroughly cleaned after being polished on. And now I'm getting ready to put a final coat of WD-40 on the whole thing. If I can get it to work. Bam. Yep, I'm gonna just work that in a little bit here in a minute. Turn it over a couple of times. Yeah. And what do you know, Bob's your uncle. Ready to go now. And probably give that a final wipe down before it goes back in the bag, but can bag that thing back up now that it's ready to install. But I have no idea what I did with that cam box. And hey, now you're kicking it with Kicker. I guess we'll walk around the shop until I find it. Or I'll probably just end the video right here. Be right back. I could sit and listen to that all night. That's like music to me.